Hi everyone, my name is Safa and today we are going to learn about farm animals. Cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Cow.
Hello friends, I'm Kathy the cow. I give fresh milk every day, which helps make cheese, butter, and yummy ice cream. Moveless, right?
Sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep.
Hi, I'm Sammy the sheep. My wool keeps people warm when they make clothes from it. I love to eat grass and play with my friends.
Goat. It's a goat. Goat. It's a goat.
Hey there! I'm Gary the goat. I'm super good at climbing, and I love munching on grass, leaves, and even crunchy vegetables.
Rooster. Rooster. It's a rooster. It's a rooster.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ronnie the rooster. I wake up the farm every day with my loud crow, cock-a-doodle-doo, and even crunchy vegetables.
Hen. It's a hen. It's a hen. Hen.
Hello, kids. I'm Henny the hen. I lay eggs that people love to eat for breakfast. I take good care of my little chicks.
Duck. It's a duck. It's a duck.
I'm Daisy the duck. I love swimming in the water and waddling around on land. My feathers keep me nice and dry.
Buffalo. It's a buffalo. It's a buffalo.
Hello, kids. I'm Bruno the buffalo. I'm big and strong, and I help farmers by pulling carts and plowing fields. My milk is also used to make yummy cheese and butter, ging my tail when I'm happy.
Donkey. It's a donkey. It's a donkey.
I'm Danny the donkey. I'm strong and help carry heavy loads on the farm. I may be small, but I work really hard.
Rabbit. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit.
I'm Ruby the rabbit. I love nibbling on carrots and bouncing around all day. My big ears help me hear everything.
Llama. It's a llama. It's a llama.
Hello, friends. I'm Lulu the llama. I have soft wool like a sheep, and I can carry things up big hills. But watch out. I might spit if I get grumpy.
Horse. Horse. It's a horse. It's a horse.
Harry the horse. I love running fast and helping on the farm. People ride me and I pull carts too.
Dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. Dog.
Hi, I'm Danny the dog. I help guard the farm and keep everyone safe. I also love playing, running, and wagging my tail when I'm happy.
Pig. It's a pig. Pig. It's a pig.
I'm Penny the pig. I love rolling in the mud. It keeps me cool. I'm also super smart and love to play.
Camel. It's a camel. Camel. It's a camel.
I'm Carl the camel. I have a big hump on my back that stores fat, so I can go a long time without water. I'm great at walking in deserts.
Thank you for watching. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.